In this video, I want to explain you about the problem question in the Edexcel book. Exercise 4, number 1, Mathematics A, GCSE Edexcel, page 46. In the question, we have a graph show the conversion from euros to the Japanese yen. The typical of question we will be asked to find the conversion of currency. We know in this graph there was the two currency. The first one is vertical one, that was yen, and the second one is the horizontal one, that was euro currency. We want to convert. We want to find the value of yen related to euros, and oppositely the currency of euros related to yen. From this typical of straight lines, we will know how the value, how much, how many, how how's the amount of the two compare currency. Okay, we look the question for the 1A. How many 90 euro if we want to convert to yen? From the graph, we see that 90 euro is about here. 90 euro is the position here. And then we drag the line until the intersection, here. This is the intersection, and then we connect it to the axis of the yen value. Okay, we're about to find it. Okay, we're gonna check it. Okay, for the number A, we know that how many yen of the 90 euros. We have the currency 90 euro. We know from the graph 90 euro is here. We plot it, we find it, the intersection here. This is the intersection, and then we connect it to the vertical line here. And then we got the amount here in the yen axis. From the graph, we find that 12,000 value of 90 euro here. So that was same with the number, with the amount of the 12,000 yen. And then for the question 1B, convert 8,000 yen to euros. We know that 8,000 is here. This is the 8,000 euros. Sorry, it's not 8,000, that was 6,000. Okay. This is the 8,000 euros. We plot again into the intersection of the straight line. Okay, we got the point here, and then we connect it to the horizontal axis in the euros currency here. Okay, we find that for the 8,000 yen, equal to 60 euros. So for the number 1C, a shop in Japan says that it will accept euros. Adam pays with a 100 euros note for a camera that costs 6,000 yen. How many yen should he receive in change? At the first, the typical of question, we have to find it. What is the amount of 100 euros convert to the yen? We know 100 euro is here. We do the same thing. We connect it until we find the intersection. This is the intersection, and then we relate it to the axis of yen. Okay, that was more than 13,000, is it? Isn't it? Okay, that was about 13,000. Let's say 13,200 yen. Okay, from the graph we find that 13,200 yen for, yeah, or equal to 100 euros. Okay, we notice that Adam money is equal to 13,200 yen. This is the Adam conversion money from the euros. We know that he bought a camera with the price 6,000 yen. So we subtract it 6,000. And then we got a change of Adam money is about, all right, 13 minus 6, that was 7,200 yen. That's was the answer for the question number 1. I hope you can learn about it and then find another example. Okay, thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye bye.